friends. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to give you a warm welcome to our amazing company called SeneGence International. So if you want to see kind of what this whole thing is all about and how you can get started in your SeneGence business, then keep on watching this video to find out more. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Saleh. I have been with SeneGence International for almost 2 years now. It is my life. I love this company. I love everything that they stand for. It has completely changed my life. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It really is going to be an amazing channel filled with tons of knowledge. I have training videos coming up, business videos, makeup videos, tutorials. I have like pretty much everything. It's going to be a one-stop shop for all your SeneGence needs. So be sure to share this video if you love it and comment below. Tell me, what was it in you that made you want to sign up? What was that little drive that you had? Comment below. Okay, so welcome. You just signed up with SeneGence and now you have no freaking clue where to start your business. This video is for you. So this is Seneversity Unit 1. Welcome. This is basically me just giving you a giant hug. Big giant hug. Welcome, sister. It's nice to have you in our amazing company, and welcome to the team. You are going to be representing an amazing company with amazing values and a really cool culture and sisterhood. So now that you have started your own business, you want to know how to get started. This is kind of square one and just kind of like a 101 on where you can get started and how you've got to kind of start thinking, because now you're owning your own business. You are now with a company that has amazing products, an even better compensation plan, and products that actually work. Okay, so step number one is obviously, if you need any help at all, contact your sponsor. Contact me. I'm here to help absolutely anybody and everybody in this company. Ask your uplines. If you are having trouble with anything, just ask your uplines, reach out for help. Obviously try and do a little bit of research yourself, because being a self-starter is a really good thing. But at the same time, don't feel stuck. Ask anybody for help. The number one thing that you need to do is invest time into learning about the company. The more that you know about our amazing company, the easier it is to talk about our products and to talk about our opportunity. Also, it will help you feel really confident in our products. It'll help you with sales. It'll help you with building your own team. It'll make you a lot more confident in your ability to talk about our products and to talk about our opportunity with other people when you feel like you are well-versed in it. So definitely, personal development is huge when it comes to owning your own business. You need to know how to stay motivated. You need to know how to run your business. You need to know all of the basics. So spend time and invest in yourself. This is all about you, girl. Make it work. Okay. Now, the number one thing that I ask girls to do and really think about the day that they start till forever, pretty much, is to discover your why. You want to know, what was it in you that made you click that sign up button? What was it in you? What was inside of you that was giving you that fuel and that fire? There's obviously something that was motivating you, and you obviously saw the opportunity and you jumped for it. So now you need to hang on to that and let that be your fuel for the rest of this entire journey that you're going to take with us. So a why is not a goal and it's not a dollar amount. A why is a feeling. So for me, my why is my kids. My why is my husband. My why is my family. So my family and being able to stay at home with my kids ultimately is the reason why I get up every day and I do this business and I run this business. It inspires me. It drives me. It gives me the motivation to continue doing what I'm doing. And you need to find out what feeling is inside of you that drives you to want to do this. Like, for instance, if you say, oh, well, I want to make $1,000 a month, or I want to make $10,000 a month, that's cool. That's a goal, but that's not a why. A why is something that you're going to be able to feel. So you can feel financial freedom. You can feel the relief of not having to call in sick to work because you can't be there. It's a feeling of having that weight lifted off your shoulders if you're in debt. It's that, feeling of being able to say that you're able to stay at home with your kids, or that you're able to retire your husband, right? It's a feeling. So you need to discover that and really ponder that. And that's kind of like the first thing that you need to be doing, because that is something that is going to follow you this entire journey. It's something that is going to really help you stay motivated when you feel unmotivated. So obviously my why is staying at home with my kids and always being there for them. And my drive is, if I don't work my business, then I can't do that. I can't be here all the time for them. I can't see all their milestones. I can't take care of them while they're in this young stage of infancy, right? So that is what motivates me to work my business every day, and it keeps me really dedicated and motivated. So that is one of the first steps that you need to do when you start your SeneGence business. You need to find that drive inside of you. What burns inside of you when you think that you want to start this business? Find that, hang on to that, always remember it, and look at it. And think about it this way. If you let go of that drive and you let go of that dedication, what would happen to your why? So if your why is, I want to retire my husband because he works 12-hour days in the oil rigs and he's gone for weeks at a time and he doesn't get to see his kids, something like that. Now, if you stopped working your SeneGence business, will that why ever happen? Like, will you ever be able to bring your husband home and retire him? It probably won't happen, right? But if you continue working your business and you continue doing it and your why is strong enough, then you will absolutely get there. There is no feeling that you can't achieve, honestly. With the amount of effort that you've put into your business and the amount of hours that you put towards it and the dedication that you put towards it, if you were an employer and you were looking at yourself, would you hire you or would you fire you? Right? I know it's really deep, but based on the amount of work that you did you kind of not do as much work as you should have and you would have fired yourself with the amount of work that you didn't put in? Or did you do a crazy amount of work and you would have hired yourself on the spot based on how much work you did? So you really need to think about it. Input always equals output. The work you put into this business is the reward that you're going to see come out of it. You get to set your own hours. You are your own boss from here on out. You get to do this business how you want to do it, but the reward is going to be based on what you put into this business. So always remember that. Okay, and that's it for this video. Continue watching this series so you can get familiar with absolutely everything that you need to know in running your SeneGence business. And if you have any questions at all, let me know. Continue to watch and follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you already haven't, and click that little bell for a notification every single time that I post a new video. And if you ever need to find me on Facebook or you ever want to email me, my contact information is down below. I have other videos as well. And there's an entire playlist that's coming up on training videos for you and your SeneGence business. And feel free to share this with your Sene sisters. Like, honestly, I love sharing the knowledge. I love sharing the love. Virtual hugs for everybody. See you later.